Hello guys, welcome back to another beautiful video. Today we're gonna play Minecraft in the Nether game server. If you want to join, the IP is right in the down right screen, I think. I don't know. You will see it. By the way, my name is the Red God 119, blah blah blah. Let's start the video. I wanted to say that I didn't want to make a voice reveal because it will take some time and I didn't have the time. So I'm just gonna play and talk to you guys. If you don't like my voice, then I will mute myself again and I will try to make the old good before. Um, the good old videos. No infection. Fuck. Come on. By the way, let's stay right here. I have to play Murder Mystery Infection for a very long time. So, if you want to join with me, guys, I usually join every day, I think, in every hour. If you aren't lucky, then sorry, guys. You have some chances to play with me. So let's just start the game. I muted the yeah. I muted the volume because the last time I made the first attempt. Oh shit! Okay, that's very good. I want to say when I did the first attempt, it didn't went good because I couldn't hear even my voice. So I made this attempt now. Beautiful, beautiful. The alpha infected anti-atomic 240. I don't care. I actually don't care. I don't give a F unless they infect me. And I don't want to infect me. I will have the bow. If we survive this form, oh my gosh, this is oh gosh, no, come on. Now I give a F. Oh shit, I'm running like Sonic. Wait, what? Did he kill me? Oh come on. I wasn't even prepared for this. Okay. BTW. Next time, GG. So I want to say, guys, that maybe I should make a live stream one day. But for now, I will not. If you guys want me to make a live stream, then tell me down in the comments, and I will or play Minecraft or promote to some other YouTubers that watch me. Why did I make this? Let's go take a soda. I have enough money for today? No, I don't. Oh, now I have enough money. What? Are you kidding me? Come on! Okay, let's run to other players and kill them in Sonic speed. Oh gosh! This character is sliding fast. No. Please don't tell me. Oh, come on. Oh, a glitch. Guys, wait. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry for the wait. You didn't wait. I paused the video. But okay, I'm talking to myself again. I wanted to say that the server glitched or had some malfunctions, and they logged me out. I don't think it was my phone, but BTW. Let's jump in. Let's hope I'm not infected because fuck my life. Ah, fuck my life. Our life. Fuck my life. Oh, I'm a survivor. Good to know. I want to kill them. I want to make them a poo. Hello, other survivors. How are you, broskies? I don't know what that means, but okay. Come on. Let's hope for the best. No one needs to kill us. We need to be fast. They are supersonic, so we need to... Oh gosh, what was that? Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh, 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 gosh. Oh, come on, please. Ugh. Take 9 more gold to get a sword throw. That remembers me of Happy Wheels. I think I will be the affected one. Okay. That's nice. Okay, 6 minutes. Am I the chosen one? Am I the alpha? I think I'm the alpha. I'm alone. Oh, come on! Are you kidding me? I want to go up here. Ah, come on. I was so close. Wait. Can I hide here? Come on. Nether Games doesn't have hiding spots. That's so bad. Oh, someone has been infected. I want to be here. I will get here. Oh, we win. Okay. That was the fastest win in the entire world. Now, let's part. I can't talk. Gladly, I didn't. I'm losing my mind now. Hello, girl. How are you? Let's hope you are good. Now, what to do? I'm the alpha. Fake bow. I am the alpha. Okay. I need to find. Bye bye, bitch. He's so stupid. Okay. He killed more. Gladly I'm... Yeah, the hacker's gone. Who is he talking to? I don't know. I don't care anymore. Haha. Good. I think they saw my name, so they know who I am. Die! Yeah. Oh no, he says the alpha. Hello, bro. How are ya? He's my neighbor. I'm the alpha. Kill everyone, my minions. just like that. We have only there is a hacker. I'm not a hacker. That's my fake bow and outfit. I'm the alpha. No, what? Ωραία, ξέρουν ότι είμαι εγώ. Okay, now. I don't... We can't find the others. Where are they? I can't find them. There are only 4. Oh, I know. I know. I think they are down. I think we lose. I think we lose. Yeah, by chance. Ugh. Oh, wait! I see you. Oh, come on. Okay, now I see you. Come on! Okay, guys, I think this is the video. I hope you like it. If you like it, subscribe and blah blah blah. I see you in tomorrow. Wait, this guy is hitting a paper. Okay.